Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in.
Hey guys, it's your girl Quincy here. So in today's video, we'll be doing Jamaican patois, or should I say Jamaican Creole. Well, it wasn't the actual video off plan, but I can't go outside for now, so in the meanwhile, I have to find something else to make a video on. Don't mind me looking at my phone. I'm actually going to be looking at the words and phrases that I'll be using in this video today. So Jamaican Creole is actually our native language here in Jamaica. Our first language, I guess. Even the babies growing up are taught that language, and for most Jamaicans, they try to actually adapt to English only, so they may teach their children or child standard English, but for us children going out and communicating and building friendships and all them good stuff out there, we actually learn it outside. We are not taught it inside your home, you learn it from outside. It will just automatically grow on you. Being a one person speaking it, then you're actually gonna be one of them one day saying it as well. So for those who know a little bit, congrats to you. For those who don't know, well, I hope you learn a few words here, or a few things or two. For those who understand a little, well, congrats, keep practicing. And for those who don't know it at all, I hope you learn something. And before we get into this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, your ideas, something else that you want me to make a video on, whatever it is. Let it be, I'll read it, and hopefully I'll make content not only to what's going on in Jamaica or things in my actual life that's happening here, but videos of which you guys would like. So let's get into it. So the first word is good morning. In Jamaican patois, morning. Hello. Blessing. Most guys would say blessings. Or most persons will just look at you and say mom. Later. Fantastic, airy, good. Children, picnic. Mother, mama. Those two words are used. Go to your mother, go to your mama. I got your mama, or your mother. Father, papa, or papa. Ma is also a word used for mother as well. Favorite. A girl, we call it empress. Or a man, youth, party, Georgie, brother. Even though we're not related here. For girl, empress, Juby, sister, Sharky. Those are good. Eat, yam. Sister. Yesterday. Another. Think. Play, ramp. Cover. Break, broke. Over. A lot, enough, or let's say wholly. So let's get into some phrase. Oh, the last one, verse, bus. Yes, we actually say bus. So some phrases, what's up? Wagwan, wam, why pre-ments. Those are our accent, what's up? What are you doing out there? What you doing there? I walk more there. You talk too much is actually saying you chat too much. Is that your child? Are you picking that? Or I feel picking both ways. I am coming, me a come. Where are you from? Where you from? Where you come from? I like you, me like you. Can you please beg you now? So instead of saying can you please, we say beg you now. Let's go over there, make we go over there so. And if you're telling somebody to come over here, it's come over here so. I'll come here. Why did you call me? What you call me for? Or what you want? I am leaving now. Me I left now. Me I left. Me gone. There he is sitting there. Can I pass? Give me pass. Or give me way. Give that here. Give me that. I told you already. Me tell you already. Make sure you get there. Make sure you reach there. I don't, me can't. So, saying, I don't think I will make it. Me can't make it. Don't bother me, no bother me. So that's it. Those are the common phrases used. Yes, those are. Yeah. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until then, see ya. Bye.